That is. When do you? Oh, you find the horns in late winter, don't you?
Early spring.
Early spring. Is it past early, or
No,
you could still find
now's
them,
the
huh?
time to find them before
Really?
I see them.
Really?
Yeah.
You should be picking mites.
Oh, mice eat it. They'll eat it up.
Oh, that's
Other insects
beautiful.
too, but
That's beautiful coming down like that. I love it. Look at how beautiful that is up here. Wow. That's cool. Look at this view up here. Wow. That is flipping awesome.
sun on that hillside.
Wow. Look at that. Too funny.
Keep scanning that hillside. Look at that. It's beautiful.
It is.
Sun. Got the castle kind of lit up.
Oops, I lost it. Oh yeah, I can see the castle now. Way there, right where the sky. Oh, no.
The our antenna is 67 feet high right there where it's at. See where we're at compared to the top of that antenna.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. That's 60 foot high?
67 feet high to the
Huh.
top of that antenna from where the ground is there.
Wow.
And if you put a level on that, I think we're almost eye level with that. It'd be, I think it's really close.
Boy, I'm telling you, this is gorgeous. We've got to do something with this up here. And that sliding hill.